Hi guys, how's it going? I am doing a spontaneous unboxing. I couldn't think of the word. Basically, this guy came in the mail. I think it's the Jinni Key, the test wrap. So I had all the covers designed. I thought, why not? Why not order a copy and edit like a physical copy? Because I typically print out a copy anyway, and it's actually cheaper to print a book than to print it out at Office Max. So I've been waiting for this to get here so I can start editing and do my first round of edits. It is not the final by any means. It's got about 20,000 edits to go, but it's here and I'm so excited. And seriously, if that's not what this is, I'm gonna be really sad. But I'm just gonna start opening it. Benny, you want it? Come here, come. Gosh, it is, it's the Jinni Key. Oh my gosh, Benny, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Here you go, take it and run with it. Is so cool. Okay, this feels really weird to be holding this. This does not feel nearly as real to me as the first book in the series because I spent so much more time on the first book, and this book is like, oh my gosh. I'm holding it the wrong way. There we go. How cool is this? I'm in love with it. I said this in my cover reveal for this, which if you want to know why I'm revealing this so early, go watch my cover reveal. I'll link it below. It's a long story, but this is probably my favorite cover. Let's see them together. I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, do you want to see the back? I will show you. Okay, I already am. I'm already showing you the back. Should I go this way? I don't understand what I'm doing because it's backwards, but here's the back. These are both before there's a blurb on them, so I don't know if you can hear Penny, but she's shredding the box. So Jessie Elliott wrote a really beautiful, I don't know the word for it, I think it's called praise for the book or a blurb, but anyway, she wrote something beautiful that goes here, and so this is like a proof copy as well, so it's not on there on this one. I don't know who's gonna write it yet, or if I'll do it for all 4 books. I don't know anything right now. But there you go. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so excited right now. So just so you guys know, the back is actually not final. This is what you will see on, I think on Goodreads and Amazon and Barnes & Noble and all the other places that this book is for sale. It says, I don't even know if I want to read you the blurb. This is my test blurb, placeholder blurb, whatever you want to call it. Basically, I just needed something to put on the back to see how it looks and to get it going on the website. So I do want to tweak this. I think that if you're an indie author, then you know that you're always trying to make your book better and make it more exciting. So, but I will read it to you just because you probably want to know what it's about, right? Okay, so this is the Little Mermaid retelling, and the, what do you call it? The tagline up there at the top is, "She holds the key to his heart, and he wants it back." That's one of my favorite taglines that I've done, which I just learned how to do a tagline. I could do a video on that sometime if you want. You enjoying that box? Does it taste good? It's good stuff. Rena is the youngest daughter of the Sea King and Queen, and she's dreamed of the surface for years, but her first visit on her 16th birthday isn't what she expects. She watches a Jinni fall from the sky and chooses to save him, despite how her mother says all Jinn are evil. Once she meets Gideon, she can't get him out of her mind, and maybe she doesn't have to. So that's book 2 so far. I'm just gonna let you see it up close, because castles, guys. For those of you who've been following me long enough to remember this, if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll know I called this whole series Princesses and Castles, and so the castles on the covers are very, very fitting. Okay, I have to end this video now because I'm pretty much just gonna sit here and freak out for the next 20 minutes, and you don't need to watch that. But there they are. And in case you don't already know, this one comes out August 20th, this one comes out December 3rd, this one's done, this one's nowhere close to done. And, whoa. What else? They're both on Goodreads, so you can add them if you enjoy being a Goodreads person, which I do. And you can also pre-order them on both Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and all the other book places that are out there that I cannot think of at this moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this random unboxing. Seriously, how beautiful are these books? They're really pretty. So there's the back one more time. Okay, bye! I will talk to you again very soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my weirdness, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!